student, once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will study about addition and subtraction of fractions. So how we will learn that how we will add and subtract when we have different denominator, then how we will do. Okay, so before that then we will learn properties of addition and subtraction of fractions. So these properties are also like the simple number. Okay, there is no difference. So first of all there is zero property. So what is zero property? The sum and the difference of 0 and a fraction is the number itself. Whenever we add and subtract 0 in any fraction, so we will get a fraction itself. Whatever fraction is there, whatever number is there, that is itself. Okay. Example 3 upon 8 plus 0. Then we write 3 upon 8 because any fraction, any number plus 0, then fraction itself. Okay. 9 upon 10 minus 0. So we will get a 9 upon 10. So any fraction, any number plus 0 or minus 0, then we will get a fraction itself. Okay. Number ho ya fraction ho. When we add 0, when we subtract 0, so we will get a number as it is. Okay. Then second is commutative property. So what is the commutative property? As you know, you have done in simple also. Commutative property means we can change the order of two numbers or two fraction. That is only in addition, not in subtraction. The commutative property only in addition. So commutative property, the sum stays the same when the order of addends is changed in addition. So it is only in addition when we change the order of addends. So the sum remains same. That is called commutative property. But not in subtraction. This does not happen in subtraction. Only this is in addition. Okay. For example, 3 upon 7 plus 4 upon 9. That's equals to 4 upon 5. So that's equals to 4 upon 5 plus 3 upon 7. If we change the order, there is 3 upon 7 plus 4 upon 5. That's equals to 4 upon 5 plus 3 upon 7. We change the order these, but there is no effect on the sum. The sum will remain same. Okay. But in subtraction, see here 3 upon 8 minus 5 upon 9. That does not equals to 5 upon 9 minus 3 upon 8. These are not equal. This is the symbol of does not equal. These are not equal because we can't change in subtraction. We can change only in addition, but in subtraction we can't change. Okay. So commutative property only in addition, not in subtraction. Now third property is there, associative property. Okay. So what is associative property? The sum stays the same when the grouping of addends is changed, but not in subtraction. This is also not in subtraction. This is also only in addition. In subtraction only zero property. जो zero property वो addition और subtraction दोनों में होती है. But commutative and associative only in addition. So when we change the grouping of addends, जब हम addends की grouping change करते हैं, so the sum will remain same. This is in addition, not in subtraction. See here example 5 upon 9 plus 3 upon 5. There is group of 5 upon 9 plus 3 upon 5. इसका group है आपके पास plus 2 upon 3. That's equals to, now we take 5 upon 9 outside and we make the group of 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3. हमने इनका group बना दिया 3 upon 5 and plus 2 upon 3. But the answer will come same. पहले चाहे हम इन 2 को ऐड कर लें, चाहे इन 2 को ऐड कर लें, चाहे फर्स्ट और थर्ड को ऐड कर लें, but the answer will remain same. So this is called associative property. Associative property means we can change order of addends. Okay. Let me start our exercise. Now exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Solve the following. Okay. Here is addition and subtraction. So I take here A and B part, C and D you will do yourself. Okay. In A part we have addition and in B part we have subtraction. But you will see that A part 5 upon 7 plus 3 upon 2. So here is different denominators. So first of all we should make the same denominator, like in comparison we have done. The same way here also we should make the same denominator. So how we will make same denominator? By taking LCM of denominators. So first of all we take LCM of denominator. So what are the denominator here? 7 and 2. Okay. So first of all we should find the LCM of 7 and 2. So you can see that 7 and 2 both are the prime number. And whenever you have prime number, so directly you can find LCM by multiplication. Okay. So here we find LCM. Firstly we find LCM of 7 and 2 equals to 7 multiplied by 2, that's equals to 14. Whenever you have here prime numbers, so directly you can find LCM. Now what we do? Now we convert into equivalent fraction with denominator 14. Okay. So now we shall convert in equivalent fraction. We shall change them in equivalent fraction. Okay. So now we convert in equivalent fraction. Okay, equivalent fraction with denominator 14. अब हमें डिनोमिनेटर बनाना है इनका 14. ओके. नाउ वी कन्वर्ट इन इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन इनटू कन्वर्ट इनटू इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन विद डिनोमिनेटर 14. डिनोमिनेटर 14 बनाना है. अब हमको इनका जो हमारा एलसीएम आएगा हमें डिनोमिनेटर वो बनाना है. ओके. So like we have done in ascending and descending order in comparison also, the same way, the same process is there also. Okay. So now we take first 5 upon 7. So how will become 7 will become 14 multiplied by 2. So 5 upon 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 5 2 are 10 and 7 2 are 14. It's become 14. Now we take second 3 upon 2. Now how will be 2 14? 2 sevens are 14. So 3 upon 2 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. So 3 sevens are 21 and 2 sevens are 14. Now these are the same denominator, and same denominator addition you have done in previous exercise also, in class 4th, in class 3rd also. So whenever we have same denominator, so directly we can add. So now 10 upon 14 plus 21 upon 14. Now these fractions change in equivalent fraction with denominator 14. Okay. So now we take here LCM, common denominator 14. Now it's become simple addition. Now 10 in numerator 10 plus 21. 10 plus 21 is 31 upon 14. Now this is improper fraction. So we change it into mixed. So 31 divided by 14. When 31 divided by 14, so we will get 2 whole 3 upon 14. जब हम इनको divide करेंगे, so we'll get 2 whole 3 upon 14. That's your answer. So like this you will solve. Okay. Now it's B part. That is also same. All questions are same in this exercise. Okay. So here also first of all we find LCM of 5 and 10. Now these are not prime numbers, so we should find their LCM. So firstly find LCM of 5 and 10. So we find here LCM of 5 and 10. 5, 10. 10 come into table. So first of all we will take on 2. 5 will be as it is. 2 5s are 10. Now both are 5 5, so they will come in 5 table. When I told you that when the same number, so we will take common. If these are different primes, then we can leave. But there is 5. So we'll take common as 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Now it is finished. Okay. So take care about that. Now LCM of 5 and 10 equals to 2 multiply by 5. So 2 5s are 10. Okay. Because there is 1 1. So no need to write this. 2 multiplied by 5, that's equals to 10. So our denominator is 10. That means both denominator we convert into 10. So now we convert into equivalent fractions. With denominator 10. अब हमें डिनोमिनेटर क्या बनाना है 10. Okay. So now we convert into equivalent fractions with denominator 10. So now we take first 4 upon 5. Now how can we make 5 into 10? Multiply by 2. So 4 upon 5 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 4 2 jar 8. 5 2 jar 10. Now next 5 upon 10. There is already denominator 10. So it will be multiplied by 1. 5 upon 10. 10 ones are 10. So 5 ones are 5. 5 upon 10. Now we can add them. So now we add. Now 8 upon, there is subtraction, not addition, there is subtraction. So we will do subtraction. Now 8 upon 10 minus 5 upon 10. So we will take common denominator 10. Now in numerator here is 8 minus 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 upon 10. 3 upon 10 is a proper fraction. So we will leave it as it is. So this is our answer. So like this you will do. Okay. So now after that we will do question 2. That is also same. Now question number 2. Add by finding the common denominator. Simplify if needed. Firstly, as I told you in first question, you should find the common denominator, and after that common denominator means you should find LCM of denominators because there is different denominators, and then simplify if needed. अगर ज़रूरत है तो आपको simplify भी करना है इसको. Simplify मतलब आपको reduce in lowest term. Okay, but if same denominator, common denominator का मतलब ये होता है जो हम नीचे common denominator लेते हैं. So if there is same denominator, in C part you have same denominator. So there is no need to make them same, directly you will solve. Okay. So now let me start A part. 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4. So first of all we should make them same because there is 3, there is 4. So first we make them same. How we will make them same? We take their LCM. So firstly we find LCM of 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 LCM we find. 4 is not a prime number, but directly you can make its LCM. How can you make? 3 is prime number and 4 is composite. But you can see that in 3 table we don't have 4. Okay? If you have 1 is prime, 1 is composite, and in prime number you are not getting that composite number. So that means their multiplication will be your LCM. And if in 3 table you have 4, so 4 will be your LCM. If that come, but there is not coming. 3 2 jar 6, 4 not come in 3 table. That means that is not a LCM. So for LCM we should multiply them. So 3 multiply by 4. This is the डायरेक्ट मेथड टू फाइंड द LCM. आप डायरेक्टली जब छोटे छोटे नंबर होते हैं तो आप डायरेक्टली फाइंड कर सकते हो ओरली कि हाउ यू विल फाइंड LCM. तो आप स्मॉल नंबर की टेबल रीड करके देखो. इफ बिग नंबर इज कमिंग इन टेबल दैट मींस बिग इज योर LCM, and if that is not coming so you have to find. Okay, now 3 4 are 12. 12 is your LCM. Okay, now we make them equivalent fraction. So firstly this one 2 upon 3. We make their denominator what? 12. Okay, we converting in equivalent fraction, or we can say that like fractions, because denominators are same. So that is like fraction. That will be like fraction. Okay. Now 3 will become 12. How it's multiply by 4. So 2 upon 3 multiply by 4 multiply by 4. 4 2 are 8 and 4 3 are 12. Now second is 3 upon 4. Now 4 becomes 12. How? Multiply by 3. So 3 upon 4 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. 3 3 are 9 and 4 3 are 12. Now both are 12 12. So we make the common denominator, same denominator. So now we can take common. So now 8 upon 12 plus 9 upon 12. Now what is common here? 12. So now we take common denominator. Now here we will take common denominator, that is 12. So now 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17 upon 12. Now it is improper fraction. So for that we will change it into mixed. So 17 divided by 12. So you will get 1 whole 5 upon 12. That's your answer. When you will divide it, so you will get this as a answer. Okay. Same way you will do B part. Okay. Now in B part there is 4 upon 5, 7 upon 10. Okay. So now firstly find LCM of denominators. So you can see that 5 is a prime number and 10 is a composite number. Now we recite the table of 5. 5 2 are 10. We are getting this number in 5 table. That means 10 will be our LCM. अगर आपका जो composite number है वो prime number की table में आ रहा है, so that will be your LCM. Orally small numbers के आप orally find कर सकते हो LCM. So now we write here LCM of 5 and 10 equals to 10. Orally you can find, because 5 2 are 10, so that means 10 will be our LCM. Okay. Now we should make same denominator. We should make both 10. So first is 4 upon 5. 5 will be 10. How? Multiply by 2. So 4 upon 5 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 4 2 are 8 and 5 2 are 10. Now next is 7 upon 10. This is already 10. Okay. So we should multiply by 1. 7 upon 10. And if you are not showing multiplication directly you are taking, then directly also you can take 7 upon 10. अगर आप ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं शो करना चाहते बिकॉज दिस इज ऑलरेडी 10, सो डायरेक्टली आप इसके बाद ऐड कर सकते हो. फर्स्ट को कन्वर्ट करके इक्विवेलेंट हो जाएंगे, देन यू कैन डायरेक्टली ऐड. नाउ बोथ बिकम 10 10. सो 8 अपॉन 10. आपको अब इनको प्लस नहीं करना बिकॉज दीज आर द डिफरेंट. अगर आप इनको कर लोगे तो फिर से वही बात रहेगी, फिर कन्वर्ट करने का फायदा क्या. सो यू हैव टू कन्वर्टेड, जो आपने कन्वर्ट किए हैं सेम डिनोमिनेटर बनाए उनको आपको ऐड करना है. So 8 upon 10 plus 7 upon 10. सेम डिनोमिनेटर वालों को ऐड करना है, ना कि इनको. ओरिजिनल तो आपके पास पहले से ही थी. ओके. Now we take here LCM 10. LCM मतलब common denominator. So common denominator is 10. Now here is 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 15 upon 10. Now what is this? These are improper fraction, so we change it into mixed. But before that you will see that 15, because there is saying that simplified if needed, तो यहाँ पे आपको reduce in lowest term. Okay, so we can see that 15 and 10 both coming 5 table, so we should cancel by 5. cancel मतलब divide. Okay, so we should divide them by 5. So in 5 table where we have 10, 5 2 are 10 and 5 3 are 15. पहले हम इसको लोवेस्ट टर्म में रिड्यूस करेंगे. नाउ अगेन इट इज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. नाउ वी चेंज इट इनटू मिक्स्ड. ओके. 3 अपॉन 2. सो 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, सो यू विल गेट 1 होल. ये होल आपको राइट करना नहीं आता. 1 होल जो है वो फ्रैक्शनल लाइन के बिल्कुल यहाँ बीच में होना चाहिए. नाउ 1 अपॉन 2 आप लोग कैसे राइट कर देते हो? ये 11 अपॉन 2 बना देते हो. दैट इज रॉन्ग. आपको जो ये 1 होल है वो फ्रैक्शन लाइन के सामने राइट करना है. यस्टरडे आल्सो यू हैव डन दिस मिस्टेक. तो ये आपका होल यहाँ पे आएगा, देन 1 न्यूमरेटर एंड 2 इज denominator. So like this you will do 1 whole 1 upon 2. That's your answer. Okay. So like this you will do. In C part you have same denominator. So वहाँ पे आपको LCM कुछ नहीं निकालना, आपको common denominator ले लेना है and then you will do plus. Okay. Now question number 3. Now question number 3. Subtract by finding the common denominators. Simplify if needed. You have to subtract by taking common denominators and simplify means you reduce in lowest term if needed. अगर ज़रूरत हो means if already in lowest term so no need, and if that is not in lowest term so you should reduce that in lowest term. Lowest term mixed fraction whatever requirement according to that you will do. Okay. So A part is there 9 upon 10 minus 2 upon 5. So first of all what will we do? We should find their LCM of denominators. For taking common denominator we will find LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator means we should make the denominators same. Okay. So we will find here LCM of 10 and 5. So as I told you that whenever we have one prime number from these, so we should recite the prime number table, and if in that table we have the second denominator, so that will be our LCM, and if that not come in table, so their multiplication is LCM. Okay. So 10 and 5. So 10 and 5. 5 is a prime number. So we should recite the 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So we are getting in 5 table 10. That means 10 is our LCM. Orally we can find their LCM. No need to find like this. That you will waste your time. Okay. आप इसमें time ही waste करेंगे. So no need to do like this. Directly you can find your LCM. If big number is coming in table, so that big is your LCM. And if that is not coming and this one number is prime, so their product is their LCM. One is prime, one is composite, so we should find their product. Now we find LCM 10. So now we make the common denominator means their denominator 10. Okay. So now first is 9 upon 10. We should write their equivalent fraction. 9 upon 10. So 10 is already 10. So we should multiply only by 1. Because 10 ones are 10, we should make the denominator 10. 10 is already here. So 9 ones are 9 and 10 ones are 10. Now we take second fraction. Second is 2 upon 5. Now how can we 5 10? Multiply by 2. 5 2s are 10. So 2 upon 5 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Now 2 2s are 4 and 5 2s are 10. Now both fractions denominators are 10. We make the same denominator. Okay. So now we can subtract. When we have same denominator, so we can subtract. When different, we can't subtract. So firstly we make the same denominator. So now subtraction or addition, only this method is there. So addition or subtract करने के लिए आपको same denominator बनाना ही पड़ेगा. Okay. You should make the same denominator. आप different denominator से add या subtract नहीं कर सकते. Okay. So now 9 upon 10 minus 4 upon 10. Now there is same denominator, so we will take a common denominator. Common denominator is what? 10, 10. So we should take a common denominator 10. Now 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5 upon 10. Now this is not lowest term because in 5 table we have 10 and there is saying that if simplify if needed. तो यहाँ पे हमें जरूरत है because in 5 table we are getting 10. So we will divide numerator and denominator both by 5 because both are coming in 5 table. So 5 divided by 5, 5 ones are 5. 10 divided by 5. So 5 2s are 10. In 5 table we have on 2 number 10. So it's become 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is your, it is proper fraction. So this is your answer. If this is improper, so we change it into mixed. But this is proper. So this is your answer. Okay. Now it's a B part. 7 upon 8 minus 3 upon 4. So the same condition. First we find LCM of denominators. So LCM of 8 and 4. So as I told you that firstly you recite the small number table. If in small number table you are getting big number, so big will be your LCM. So now we recite 4 table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So that means 8 will be our LCM. अगर small number की table में big आ रहा है, that means big will be your LCM and small will be your LCF. So orally we can find LCM. अब हमें इतनी आप लंबी प्रोसेस लोगे, यही आंसर आएगा आपका, उसमें आपका वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम ना ओनली. ओके, इफ नॉट कमिंग इन टेबल देन वी विल डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. Multiplication in which when we have one is prime number and one is composite. If both are composite and then not are coming in table, so we have to find. तब आपको निकालना ही पड़ेगा. अगर both composite है और टेबल में नहीं आ रहा, स्मॉल की टेबल में बिग, तब आपको ऐसे लॉन्ग डिवीजन से फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. But if that is coming in table, so directly you can get. And if one is prime number, so by multiplication directly you can get. Okay. So now we take 7/8. 3 conditions में आप 1 minute I am explaining you. In 3 condition directly you can get the LCM. 1, if both are prime, both denominator are prime, so we should multiply them and we can get the LCM. If one is prime, one is composite, so we will recite the prime number table. If in that table composite number is coming, so that composite will be your LCM. And if composite is not coming, so again their product will be LCM. And third, smaller number की table आप recite करो. If you are getting the big number in that, so big will be your LCM. तो ये 3 conditions होती हैं that directly you can get the LCM. Otherwise आपको फिर long process से, अगर आपको नहीं निकलता ऐसे तो आप long process ले लो और उससे आप solve करो. So you will get the same answer. Okay? So as your wish you can find like that. Now 7/8. So 7/8. 8 is LCM is 8 means हमें denominator क्या change करना है 8. So 8 is already here. So that means it will be multiplied by only 1. Okay. So it's 7/8. Now next is 3/4. So 4 again we will make equal to LCM. LCM is 8. So 4 twos are 8. So 3/4 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 3 twos are 6 and 4 twos are 8. Okay. Now both are 8. So we can subtract. So now 7/8 minus 6/8. Now both denominators are 8. So we take here common denominator 8. Now here is 7 minus here is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1/8. It is already in, but it is already in proper fraction. Okay, and it is in lowest term. So that's your answer. Okay. So like this you have to solve your question number 3. C and D part you will do yourself. Okay. Now question number 4. Now question number 4. Find the sum or the difference. आपको सम मीन्स एडिशन करना है या फिर माइनस करना. डिफरेंस मीन्स यू विल डू माइनस. सिंप्लीफाई इफ नीडेड, अगर जरूरत हो तो फिर आपको सिंप्लीफाई भी करना है. सिंप्लीफाई मीन्स यू विल रिड्यूस इन लोवेस्ट टर्म. ओके. सो ए पार्ट इज देयर 2 whole 1/4 and plus 3 whole 1/2. So here is given mixed fraction. So first of all you change mixed into improper fraction. देखो सेम ही मेथड होता है इन ऑल. whenever you have mixed, चाहे वो प्लस है माइनस है मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड है, एनीवेयर यू आर हैविंग मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू चेंज दैट इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. उसको सबसे पहले आपको इम्प्रॉपर में चेंज करना होता है. उसके बाद सेम मेथड चलेगा दैट यू हैव डन इन क्वेश्चन सेकंड एंड third. The same process we should follow. We should find LCM of denominators and we should make equivalent fraction. So firstly we change it into improper fraction. So 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1 9 upon 4 plus 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7 upon 2. Okay. So first of all you change like this. Now the denominator 4 and there is 2. So we should make them same. How we make them same? Firstly, we take their LCM. So LCM of 4 and 2. So as I told you that we should decide this table of smaller number. If we are getting big number, so big will be our LCM. So 2 2s are 4. So 4 come into table. That means 4 is our LCM. Now what we do? Second, after that, next step is making them equal to denominator. Denominator is 4. So we should make both fraction denominator. Sorry, LCM is 4. So make the denominator 4. So firstly we take 9 upon 4. Here is already 4 your denominator. So we should multiply by only 1. Okay. Now 9 ones are 9 upon 4. Next is 7 upon 2. Now how can we do as 4? 2 2s are 4. 2 को हमें 4 बनाना है. So we should multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. So 7 2s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now what will we do? Now we will do add, because there is plus symbol. So we will do addition. So now what we make equivalent, that fraction we will take. So equivalent, there is 9 upon 4 and there is 14 upon 4. 9 upon 4 plus 14 upon 4. So common denominator is 4, because both denominator is 4. So we take here common 4. Now from here 9 plus 14. So 9 plus 14 is, there is 23 upon 4. Now which type fraction is this? This is improper fraction, because numerator is big, denominator is small. So we change it into mixed. So it's become 4 5s are 20. So 5 whole 3 upon 4. When you divide 23 by 4, so you will get 5 whole 3 upon 4. That's your answer. Okay. So whenever you have improper fraction, you change it into mixed. Now next, it's a B part is also addition, that you will do yourself. Now I take C part. C and D are of subtraction. A and B are of addition. So A part we have done, B you will do yourself. Now C part. 8 whole 3 upon 5 minus 6 whole 7 upon 10. So first of all the same one. Firstly we change it into improper fraction. So 8 5s are 40. 5 8s are 40. 8 5s are 40. Plus 3, 43 upon 5 minus 10 6 are 60 plus 7, 67 upon 10. Now what will we do? Now we should find LCM of denominators. So we find LCM of 5 and 10. So as I told you that firstly we decide the smaller number table. If we are getting big number, so that will be our LCM. So 5 2s are 10. 10 come in 5 table, that means 10 is our LCM. Now first is 43 upon 5. Now we will not take these one. Mixed को हम नहीं लेंगे. हम जो improper change किया, that we will take. So 43 upon 5. Now 5 how can be 10? Multiply by 2. So 43 upon 5 multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So 43 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So it is 6 upon 10. Next 67 upon 10. It is already 10, so it should be multiplied by only 1. 67 upon 10. It is on the one number we have same. 67 upon 10. Now both are 10 10. So we can do subtraction because both denominators are same. Now 86 upon 10 minus 67 upon 10. So now we take common denominator. Common denominator is what? 10. Now 86 minus 67. So 86 minus 67, that is 19 upon 10. Again it is improper fraction. So we change it into mixed. So how we will change it mixed? 19 divided by 10. So 10 ones are 10. So 1 whole 9 upon 10. That's your answer. So like this you will solve. Okay, it's D part you will do yourself. That is also same process is there also. Okay. After that, question number 5. Now question number 5. Solve and simplify the following. Solve means you have to solve here. Plus and minus together given here. So you should solve and then simplify. If there is in not lowest term answer, so you should reduce that in lowest term. Okay. Now here is A part. 3 whole 4 upon 5 plus 2 whole 7 upon 10 minus 4 whole 1 upon 2. So first of all you change them into improper fraction because there is given in mixed. So you change them in improper fraction. So 5 3 are 15, 15 plus 4 19 upon 5 plus 10 2 are 20 plus 7 27 upon 10 minus 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9 upon 2. Now we change them in improper. After that what will we do? We should make the denominators same. Same process in all questions. So firstly we make the denominator same. So for that we find LCM of 5. Firstly here is 5, 10 and 2. So as I told you that we should recite the smaller number table. If we are getting the big number, so that will be our LCM. So here is smaller is 2 and 5 and largest is 10. So in 2 table we have 10. Yes, 2 5s are 10 and in 5 table also we have 10. 5 2s are 10. So that means 10 is our LCM. Smaller number की table में अगर big वाला आ रहा है आपके पास, so that will be our LCM. So LCM is 10. Okay, now we make their equivalent fraction. अब हम इनके equivalent fraction बनाए. So first of all 19 upon 5. So in 5 table where we have 10 on 2 number. So 19 upon 5 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Numerator and denominator both are multiply by 2. 19 2 are 38. 5 2 are 10. Now next 27 upon 10. That is already 10. So we should multiply by only 1. 10 multiply by 1. 27 upon 10. Now next third is 9 upon 2. Now in 2 table where is 10? 5. So 9 upon 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. 9 5s are 45 and 2 5s are 10. Now you can see 10, 10, 10. All the denominators 10, 10, 10. So now we can solve. So now 38 upon 10. Now after that there is plus symbol. If there is minus in C part you have here minus and here plus. So if you have firstly minus, so we take minus symbol. If firstly plus, then we will take a plus symbol. So here is plus. So plus, then next is 27 upon 10. And then minus you have 9 upon 2, that is equals to 45 upon 10. 9 upon 2 is equals to 45 upon 10. Now common denominator is what? Common denominator is 10. Now where we write down the middle fraction. When you have 3 fractions, so down the middle fraction we write our common denominator. और 2 ही हो तो जो बीच में जो symbol है उसके नीचे write करते हैं. And 3 fractions are there, so we write down of middle fraction. Now 38 plus 27 minus 45. So firstly we do plus and then we will do minus. So add them. Here we will do 38 plus 27. So 8 plus 7 15. 1 carry, so that becomes 65. Minus 45 and denominator will remain same 10. Okay. Now 65 minus 45. पहले हम plus करेंगे तो first operation. After that we will do minus. So 65 minus 45, that's equals to 20 upon 10. Now we can reduce in lowest term because in 10 table we have 20. So 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So it's become 2 upon 1. 2 upon 1 means that's equals to 2. When denominator is 1, so we can write only numerator our answer because denominator 1 means nothing. 2 means 2 upon 1. 4 means 4 upon 1. 1 denominator हम किसी के भी लगा सकते हैं. So there is 1, so we can leave it. So that's equals to 2. 2 is your answer. Okay. Now it's a B part. B part is also same. There is also mixed fraction is given. So firstly we change them into improper fraction. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11 upon 2 plus 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8 upon 3 minus 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 5, 29 upon 6. Now the same process. Firstly find their LCM. So LCM of 2, 3 and 6. So as I told you that you should decide the smaller number table. If you are getting the largest number, so that will be your LCM. So largest is 6, smaller is 2 and 3. So in 2 table we have 6, 2 3s are 6. In 3 table also we have 6, 3 2s are 6. So that means 6 will be your LCM. Okay. So like this orally you can find your LCM. Now we change them into equivalent fraction. अब इनके equivalent fraction write करें 11 upon 2. Now how will 2 will be 6? Multiply by 3. So 11 upon 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. 11 3s are 33 and 2 3s are 6. Now next 8 upon 3. Now how 3 will be 6? 3 2s are 6. So 8 upon 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 8 2s are 16 and 3 2s are 6. Now third 29 upon 6. Now this is already 6. This is equals to LCM. So 6 ones are 6. On one number we have same 6. So multiply by 1. 6 multiply by 1. So it's become 29 upon 6. Now we should solve that. So now first is 11 upon 2. 11 upon 2 means 33 upon 6. Plus next is 8 upon 3. 8 upon 3 means 16 upon 6. Now next is minus. Minus symbol is there. So minus 29 upon 6. 29 upon 6 means 29 upon 6. Okay. Now all 6, 6, 6. So we take common denominator, that is 6. Okay. Now numerator 33 plus 16 minus 29. So firstly we add. Okay. Because firstly there is plus, then minus. So firstly we add this, then we'll do minus. So here we'll do plus 33 plus 16, that's equals to 49 minus 29 upon 6. Denominator will remain same, 6 as it is. Now 49 minus 29, that's equals to 20 upon 6. Okay. Now we can see that 20 and 6 both come in 2 table. So firstly we divide them by 2. Divide them by 2 means we should cancel by 2. In 2 table where is 20? 2 tens are 20. And in 2 table where is 6? 2 3s are 6. So it's become 10 upon 3. Now this is improper fraction. So we change it into mixed. So when we change it into mixed, so 10 divided by 3. 10 divided by 3 means 3 whole 1 upon 3. That's your answer. Okay. देखो 10 को 3 से करोगे आप. So 3 3s are 9. 1 remainder. So 3 whole 1 upon 3. That's your answer. Okay. So whenever you have, listen carefully in the last, when they come in same table, so we should cancel them firstly. And after that again these are in improper fractions, so we change them into mixed. So like this you will solve. C part you should solve yourself. In C part firstly minus and then plus, you can solve that. Okay, so thank you.